Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Make sure the watch has at least 20% battery and your phone is nearby if you plan to sync. First, open Settings, then System or General, and tap Time or Date to start. Choose whether you will set time manually, use phone sync, or rely on GPS time. Each method has reasons. Manual gives control, phone sync keeps consistency across apps, GPS gives accuracy on the move. Now, tap the method you want and proceed to the detailed steps. Once you pick a method, follow the specific flow. If manual, use the crown, buttons, or touch to change hour and minute. Then set AM versus PM or switch to 24-hour format so recordings match your preference. If using phone sync, enable Bluetooth and permit the companion app to update time. If using GPS, allow a quick fix outdoors to pull UTC offset. Also check the date, select the correct time zone, and enable daylight saving if your region uses it. This avoids misaligned work. Save or confirm the new values and exit settings. Many watches apply changes only after you tap Save or press the main button. Verify the update by starting a short activity and checking the timestamps and splits. This ensures runs and routes align with real time. If the watch reverts or shows wrong zone, restart the device, update its firmware, and resync with the phone app. If it still fails, perform a factory reset only after backing up, or contact manufacturer support for persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.